Welcome! If you've ever added an additional name to your LinkedIn profile, maybe a nickname or a maiden name, but now want to remove it, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to remove your LinkedIn additional name on your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Click on Me to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your personal information and preferences. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a menu. Click on Account Preferences. This section is where you can update your name, location, and industry details. Now, find and click on the option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Here, you'll see your current profile name, including any additional name you may have added previously. To remove your additional name, simply delete the text in the additional name field. Make sure you leave the other name fields as they are if you don't want to change your main profile name. Once you've cleared the additional name, scroll down and click the Save button. LinkedIn will update your profile instantly, and your additional name will be removed. That's all it takes. Your profile will now only display your main name, and the additional name will no longer be visible to your connections or anyone viewing your profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.